Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the easiest way to verify your daily transcription account, so you can start transcribing without delays. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the entire process of verifying your daily transcription account in easy-to-follow steps to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. First step, go to the Daily Transcription website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Next, look for the verification section, which might be labeled as Account Verification or Verify Your Account. Click on that option, and you will be prompted to enter some additional information. This typically includes verifying your email address by receiving a verification email and clicking on the provided link. Make sure you check your spam or junk folders, just in case you don't see the email in your main inbox. After confirming your email, you may need to complete identity verification. This often requires submitting a valid ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Check the guidelines on the site for acceptable forms of ID, and upload a clear picture or scan of your document. Sometimes they may also ask for an additional selfie to match your ID photo. This step is crucial to guarantee the security and authenticity of your profile following the upload. Wait for the verification process. To complete this can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the workload of their verification team. It's important to be patient during this time and avoid submitting multiple requests, which could delay the process. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation notification via email or inside your daily transcription dashboard. Congratulations! Your account is now ready, and you can start taking transcription assignments. Remember, always keep your account information updated to avoid any interruptions in service. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Daily Transcription's customer support for help. They're usually responsive and eager to assist. You now have all the knowledge to verify your daily transcription account quickly and correctly. Utilize this step-by-step method to streamline your start on this platform and maximize your transcription opportunities.